Hello and welcome back. So this is another video of the product management at the startup series. In this video, I'll talk about 3 ways to stand out and crack a job in a cool startup as a product manager. So without further ado, let's start. So you need to make your resume stand out from the crowd. The breadth of experience is what will capture the attention of the hiring managers, in the startups. However, they are, likewise concerned about the end outcome. So read each of the job advertisement very attentively and explain how your qualifications and experience match what they are searching for in a candidate. And consider, what you have done in past that has contributed to growth. It's much better if you can back up everything that you are putting in your resume with quantitative data. In this context, I'm going to link some resources here. You can definitely check this out. It would help you prepare your resume. You should start a side hustle. So what better ways to demonstrate your ability to create things than to create them yourselves, right? So starting a side project, whether it's a YouTube channel, writing blogs, or publishing a book, or building a community, or it could be any other digital products or actual products as well. So these are fantastic ways to get your name out there. It demonstrates your entrepreneurial abilities and can-do attitude. You can book a one-on-one session with me if you need additional help to start your side project and plan forward. I'll put the link of my calendar in the description box below. You can check that out. Become a certified product manager. Obtaining a certification as a product manager increases your visibility to the hiring manager and make it crystal clear in terms of what you bring to the table. It also makes you stand out from the crowd and offer you professional credibility. There are many such certification programs that exist. For example, Upgrad has a product management certifications. Product School, I believe, has a post-graduation degree in product management. I'll try to find few links and put them on the description box below. You can check this out. I do hope you found the information in this video helpful, and do let me know on the comment section below if you have any questions, comments, and stay tuned for more videos on the product management at the startup series. With that, I'm gonna end this video. You guys take care and I shall see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.